Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to install an app but keep getting the annoying message, your device isn't compatible with this version, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most reliable way to fix it. These steps work for almost any Android phone, and by the end of this video, your device should be ready to install the apps you want. So let's jump right in. First, the number one cause of this problem is an outdated Android version. Many apps now require newer system features, so if your OS is behind, you'll see compatibility errors. To fix this, open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. If there's an update available, whether it's Android 14, 15, or a security patch, make sure to install it. Once your phone restarts, try downloading the app again. For most people, this alone solves the issue, but if your phone says no updates available, don't worry. The next steps usually fix the compatibility error completely. Now we're going to refresh the Google Play Store because sometimes outdated or corrupted Play Store data triggers this problem. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, Storage. Tap Clear Cache, then Clear Data. After that, go back one step, tap the three-dot menu, and choose Uninstall Updates. This resets the Play Store to its factory version so it can rebuild itself cleanly. Next, we'll do the exact same thing for Google Play Services, which is a core system app that controls app compatibility. Head to Settings, Apps, Google Play Services, Storage, tap Clear Cache, then Clear All Data. Then hit the three-dot menu again and select Uninstall Updates. Don't worry, these updates restore automatically. Once both apps are reset, open the Google Play Store again. It will automatically update itself and Google Play Services in the background. You can also open each app's page and tap Update if available. After these updates finish, go back and try installing the app that gave you the compatibility error. In most cases, it installs without any issues now. And that's it. A simple, reliable fix for the device isn't compatible with this version error on Android. If this helped you, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.